Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Ayush Khanna Classes. So, in this video, I'm going to cover the MCQs of auditing for CA Intermediate New Course of RTP November 19. Okay, there are total 10 MCQs only, very few MCQs. Okay, now let's start. First of all, I hope you are done with all the amendments of audit. I'm not gonna put any type of amendments of audit because many videos are available there on the YouTube. Okay, now let's start. Judging the significance of matter requires dash of the facts of circumstances. That is objective analysis, subjective analysis, yeah, both subjective and objective analysis, and qualitative analysis. As per me, the answer should be objective analysis. Why? Because objective analysis is of small things. It is many minor things we are going to check. Subjective matters. That is huge number of if we do vouching, huge number of bills can't be checked. Okay, objective. If you hold on sales register and its bill and its ledger, then you will see that every bill is there. There is due compliance. Okay, so the answer for the first part should be A. For the first question is A. An important factor in determining the form, content, and extent of audit documentation of significant matters is the extent of dash exercise in performing the work and evaluating the results. What should be there? Professional skepticism, professional integrity, a judgment, or sincerity. Okay, tell what a documentation is. Okay, exercise, exercise in performing the work and evaluating the results. We are gonna do the judgment. Okay, okay. We are not. We do not want any perform a questioning mind in performing the work. और सिंसियरिटी सिंसियरिटी ये तो सीए करता है और इंटीग्रिटी की हमको जरूरत नहीं थी तो सिग्निफिकेंट जजमेंट for second question answer should be C part. What evidence is necessary to support the auditor's opinion and report? It is dash in nature and is primarily obtained from audit procedures performed during the course of audit. Tell it is cumulative in nature. Cumulative means we are going to collect multiple evidences that a particular transactions is correct or not. We are gonna solve by queries from inspection, observation, and so. So audit evidence is obtained from cumulative sources. So it is cumulative in nature. Okay. Dash refers to the audit which is obtained to or which is performed to obtain understanding of the entities and its environment. अब तो आपको पता होना चाहिए क्या है. It is risk assessment procedures. रिस्क असेसमेंट प्रोसीजर्स में ही हम लोग एंटिटी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेते हैं और ऑडिट परफॉर्म करते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंटिटी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेने के लिए इंक्लूडिंग द एंटिटीज इंटरनल कंट्रोल रिस्क असेसमेंट प्रोसीजर्स आरएपी रैप इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. ओके एंड टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड असेस द रोमम whether due to fraud or error at the financial statement and assertions level. Okay. Fifth, when more persuasive audit evidence is needed regarding the effectiveness of control, it may be appropriate to increase the extent, the TOC and reduce the extent of a degree of reliance on controls. Why will reduce the extent of degree of reliance on controls? Why? If we perform a test of controls, we have to uh, rely on controls. We have to check that the controls are appropriate, appropriately applied or not. So A option is not the answer. It may be appropriate to decrease the extent of testing of controls as well as the degree of reliance on controls. Why we are gonna decrease the extent of TUC? Why? TUC have to be done in any case. A testing of controls among the employees and so have to be done. So B option is also wrong. It may be appropriate to decrease the extent again the decrease extent of TUC. Okay. So C part is the one. It may be appropriate to increase the extent of TOC as well as the degree of reliance of controls. Correct. बचा यही है तो यही ऑप्शन दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रही है. Okay. When deviations from controls upon the auditor intends to rely are detected, the auditor shall not make inquiries to understand these matters and their potential consequences. The auditor shall make specific inquiries to understand these matters and their potential consequences. Now, stop here. The, Again, read the A part. The auditor shall not make inquiries to understand these matters and their potential consequences. If the auditor intends to lie, if the auditors realize that some deviations in controls are detected, then why he will not make any inquiries to understand understand these matters? He will make the specific inquiries to understand these matters and the potential consequences. He will understand the potential consequences. Okay, so B part is the correct option. General inquiries to understand the matters and the potential. We have to make specific. General में कुछ काम चलेगा. ओके. जनरल मीन्स आप जनरल बातों से अगर जनरल से हमको चाहिए नहीं हमको स्पेसिफिक चाहिए कि इस डिविजन के कारण हमको क्यों हमारे फ्रॉड्स निकल रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो स्पेसिफिक जहाँ से निकल रहा है उसी को उसके लिए हम पूछेंगे. ओके. विच the following statements is correct. SAP are generally more applicable to large volume of transaction to intent to be predictable over time. I think A option easy. If the auditor is unable to obtain sufficient appropriate evidence, that is SAAE, regarding the regarding the opening balances, the auditor shall express a disclaimer opinion, a qualified opinion, a qualified or disclaimer opinion as per in accordance with the 705 or default unmodified opinion. C. Eighth direct answer is C. Now let me explain. If the auditor is unable to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence, then in any case, he'll not give an unmodified opinion. He will give an unmodified opinion, like a qualified opinion, or disclaimer of opinion, or adverse opinion. Now, what does disclaimer opinion says? It says that he shall disclaim an opinion that the evidence obtained may or may not be persuasive to others. Again, qualified opinion, you know that it may or may not. Okay, he gives a straightforward opinion that the any material misstatement there's any material misstatement in the financial statement it may be persuasive or not persuasive. He has not obtained the relevant audited evidence that it is not persuasive. Okay, like these are the definitions. A failure of a confirming party to respond or fully respond to a positive confirmation request or a confirmation request returned undelivered is called negative confirmation request. Okay, we got it. And in case of committee that is required to constitute an audit committee under section 177, the committee and in cases where such committee is not required to be constituted, dash shall not dash dash shall take into consideration the qualification experience of the individual. See, it will be the board. The board of directors will take into consideration the qualification and the experience of the individual or the firm proposed to be the considered for appointment. Okay, I hope you got it. If you like today's lecture, this was my audit's first lecture on MCQs. If you want, then I may think to continue the audit subject. Okay, regular free videos shall be provided on YouTube or for it if you want. Okay, thank you. Please take care. Bye bye. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And yes, today I have recorded two lectures that will be uploaded in short period of time. Two lectures I have recorded today. One lecture of Advanced Accounts RTP for November 19, and second is uh, Audit RTP for November 19. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.